In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your Evernote notes. It's a handy way to ensure that your sensitive information stays secure and only accessible to you. So let's dive right in and explore how to do this effectively. First, you'll want to locate the note containing the text that you wish to encrypt. Once you've opened your note, go ahead and highlight the portion of the text you want to protect. This is the text you're going to encrypt. It's important to remember that this encryption feature is specifically used for securing parts of a note, so you might want to think strategically about which pieces of information need this extra layer of protection. Now, with your text selected, you're going to perform a right-click on the highlighted area. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Encrypt Selected Text. Go ahead and click on this. What this does is it initiates the encryption process for the portion of text you've just highlighted. Next, you're going to be prompted to enter a custom passphrase. This passphrase is the key to accessing your encrypted text, so it's critical to choose something that's both easy for you to remember and hard for anyone else to guess. Keep in mind, Evernote does not store this passphrase, which means if you forget it, you won't be able to recover the encrypted information. So, take a moment to create a passphrase that meets these criteria. Additionally, you'll notice an option asking if you want to remember this passphrase until you close Evernote. If you're working in a secure environment and don't want to be bothered with repeatedly entering the passphrase, selecting this option could offer a bit of convenience. However, if you're using a shared or public computer, it's probably a good idea to leave this box unchecked to maintain the highest level of security. Once you've entered your passphrase and made your choice regarding the remembering option, you're all set. The text you selected is now encrypted and protected by the passphrase you created. To access this text in the future, you'll need to enter the same passphrase, ensuring that only those who know the correct passphrase can view the contents. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to protect sensitive parts of your notes using Evernote's encryption feature. Remember to store your passphrase somewhere safe if you're concerned about forgetting it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.